I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by configuring inputs and the training room so you can reproduce moves reliably. Map your buttons to comfortable spots, enable hitbox and frame data, and set input buffer to 6-8 frames. This reduces dropped inputs. Next, drill basic movement, dash, jump cancel, and universal mechanics until motion is second nature. Once done, practice a simple bread and butter combo using 5p into 2p confirms, 10 times at 60% speed, so you can sense timing without rushing. Now you expand into Happy Chaos's core toolkit and mid-game flow. You'll place grenades and paper traps to control space, then layer portals or movement to bait reactions. The why is to force predictable defensive habits. Practice converting zoning openings into safe mix-ups. Use neutral throws and tick setups to create hit confirms. Make sure to manage tension for offense and save burst for critical escapes. Once you tie these elements together, your neutral converts into consistent damage rather than scattered hits. To finish a round, focus on optimizing end combo positioning and adding OTG or high-low variations to squeeze extra damage. You should switch tactics by matchup. Delay grenades against rushdown and stagger pressure against zoners, because timing wins trades. If things go wrong, first check your timing and input consistency, then clear any controller or input lag and reset training conditions. Often a misrecorded dummy or sticky input causes repeat failure. Practice these fixes quickly so you can return to improvement without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.